Welcome to Kids Pages. Learn the names of animal homes. Anthill. Ants live in anthills. Beehive. Bees live in a hive. Cave. A lion lives in a cave. Den. A bear lives in a den. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Chicken coop. Chickens live in a coop. Hutch. Rabbits live in a hutch. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Mouse hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Pond. Frogs live in a pond. Ocean. Marine animals live in the ocean. Sheep pen. Sheep live in a pen. Spider web. A spider lives in a web. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Tree hollow. A squirrel lives in a tree hollow. Burrow. A hare lives in a burrow. Iceberg. A penguin lives on an iceberg. Desert. A camel lives in the desert. Tree. A koala lives in a tree. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you.